Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how can you use Adobe Photoshop for free. So here you can see Adobe Photoshop can be used for free. So I will tell you how can you. So for using it for free, open Microsoft Store. Now search here Adobe Photoshop. So here you can see Adobe Photoshop is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed it, so this is showing as open. In your case, this will show as get. So by clicking on it, you can install it. So after installation, open it. So here you can see this will launch Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop. So as I have already logged into this, but you have to create an account. So after creating an account, this interface will show. So now you have to click on this Photoshop Web. So now here you can see Photoshop is launching. So now you can upload file from here by clicking on this. So as I have already uploaded a file, so I will click on it. So here you can see Adobe Photoshop web version is launched successfully, and this version is absolutely for free. You can use it. So here you can see here are the options to do the editing in the Adobe Photoshop. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.